7 Signs of Maturity in a Relationship. Characteristics of a mature relationship. Within a mature relationship, couples exhibit specific positive traits and an evolving mindset that fosters profound intimacy. Mature partners naturally excel in resolving conflicts constructively and providing support during challenging moments. Keep reading to discover 7 indicators of maturity in a relationship. Emotional support. In mature relationships, partners offer emotional support to one another, standing by each other during tough moments. They validate each other's experiences and show empathy. Compassion and understanding serve as crucial markers of maturity within a relationship. Respect for independence and personal space. In mature relationships, couples establish healthy boundaries, demonstrating a profound respect for each other's personal space and independence. They avoid becoming overly attached or codependent, prioritizing freedom and individuality instead. Empathy. Empathy forms the cornerstone of a mature and satisfying relationship. Mutual empathy and understanding between partners indicate maturity within the relationship. Patiently listening and comprehending your partner's emotions are vital aspects of fostering empathy in a relationship. Open and transparent communication. Expressing emotions openly is crucial in a relationship. Emotionally mature couples participate in honest conversations, openly discussing their dreams and goals while valuing transparent communication. Honest and straightforward communication is a defining characteristic of a mature relationship. Growth and relationship goals. In mature relationships, partners prioritize mutual growth and shared relationship objectives. They collaborate on common goals and encourage each other's individual dreams and aspirations. Their commitment lies in fostering ongoing development within the relationship. Conflict resolution. Mature couples address conflicts with constructive communication. Rather than letting arguments escalate, they handle disagreements patiently by resolving them through open communication. Mature couples refrain from belittling each other. Hared responsibilities and continuous commitment. A mature relationship is marked by an ongoing dedication to the partnership, with both individuals sharing responsibilities. Mature couples do not shy away from their duties, instead, they collaborate and work together as partners. When both individuals are cooperative in a relationship, it fosters significant intimacy. How to be mature in a relationship. Developing maturity within a relationship is vital for its development and endurance. Firstly, effective communication is essential. Openly express thoughts and feelings while attentively listening to your partner. Secondly, take accountability for your actions and choices, recognizing errors and growing from them. Thirdly, prioritize mutual respect and comprehension, appreciating each other's viewpoints and boundaries. Additionally, cultivate empathy and kindness, understanding your partner's standpoint and emotions. Lastly, demonstrate patience and dedication, acknowledging that relationships demand work and flexibility. By embodying these principles, you can nurture a mature and thriving relationship founded on trust, mutual assistance. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.